How you can fix this issue. Could not create account on your iPhone or iPad. So watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. First, check your internet connection, if it's working or not. Next, go to your settings and tap General and go to Software Update and check out if your device software is updated to the latest version or not. If not, then make sure to update it to the latest version to do so. After that, go to the VPN settings from the General and check if your device is connected to any VPN application or not. If it's connected, then disconnect it and try creating your account again. If the problem persists, try hard reset to fix it. But make sure that you back up all your photos, videos and other personal files before you do it, cause it's gonna delete all of it. Now, go to General, scroll down and tap the option where it says Transfer and Reset iPhone and tap on Erase all the contents and settings. And that's it. These are all the steps that you can follow to fix the issue where you're gonna create your account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.